What's up, everyone? I had a little issue last weekend, and that little issue led to a pretty big parts order at MotoSport.com. Let me tell you a little bit more about it. My sprocket bolts actually came loose, which caused the chain to derail, and when it did, it slammed into my shifter so hard that it bent the shifter itself, the shift shaft inside the motor, and even cracked the swing arm right where the chain guide mounts. Not ideal. But here's the good news. Thanks to MotoSport.com's huge selection of OEM and aftermarket parts and fast shipping, I ordered these things on Monday, and I'm going to be riding the same bike this weekend. This flow shifter is a high quality, cost-effective replacement when compared to OEM. I also picked up an Acerbis chain guide 2.0, which is also available as a kit with a chain slider, and both are made of more durable material than stock, which leads to a longer lasting product. Aside from that, everything from the shift shaft to the swing arm came from the OEM section of the website, where you can save up to 40% off. If you need parts to keep your bike on the track or trail and you want to make your next ride your best ride, make sure to check out MotoSport.com. As always, follow us on social at MotoSport Inc. to keep up with all the content from the moto world. Thanks for watching.